In this primary school on the outskirts of Kampala, money to buy chalk often gets here late, leaving the principal with no other option but to purchase on credit or pay from his own pocket.
When it comes late, it is very difficult to carry out the proper running of the school. Buying books, buying pens, buying chalk, it becomes very hard. You would need to give examinations to the children, testing exams. Now when there is no funds, it becomes very hard.
The 500 students here are meant to take an exam every month, but with such dire lack of resources, they are only able to take 2 tests per year, and they are missing far more than chalk. Salaries to pay their teachers have been delayed too. Like elsewhere in Uganda, the shadow of corruption lies heavily across the school. But now a smartphone application called Action for Transparency is working to change all that.
We are developing tools and working with networks of communities to provide data on budget allocations to schools and health centers, and we hope later other sectors. And also offering through our app and website a platform where people can report without fearing.
Using the GPS-enabled A4T app, a user can receive the location of a school or health center, the number of staff allocated to them by the government and the institution, and the amount of money approved and disbursed.
We want to know if the government says this amount was released and disbursed to a school X. Did that exact amount reach the school? And if it reached the school, was it used in accordance to the budget?
Many Ugandans still hesitate to expose corruption, but with this application, the process becomes easier. The Action for Transparency smartphone app is being piloted in 3 districts in Uganda to see whether it can officially be used by the authorities. Noel Makugu, CCTV.